Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between and beyond, welcome to our stream number 78 on the 10th of October. No, it's not the 10th, it's the 7th of October 2021, and I heartily welcome you all to our stream. It is 2045 UTC plus 0, and after everything was hacked, at least on Twitch, we are still going on and doing what we have to do. And doing what is maybe going to be important one day.
Ganz ehrlich, Buchhaltung ist doch
For example,
super nervig.
listening to advertisement already at the beginning is very important. I'm taking a look that all the channels are working. It appears like the resetting with Twitch worked, so everything should be fine. That looks good. That looks good as well. We have still the same music, sometimes the same mood. Everything should be, yes, good, right? Chats are online. So. Oh, the Nemo chat is still missing. Nemo chat, where are you? There he is, or she is. There it is. Alright, so we are going on today. Wally, hello, and thank you very much for your wishes. I hope we are going to have a good stream indeed, and thank you that you're here with us. I hope you're going to enjoy the time and that everything is good, that everything is fine. Alright friends, let's start our usual round about studying Duolingo. We're going to do again some Hindi. Afterwards, we are going to improve our little web app, and I hope with every time it is really going to improve. At least we have managed the last time that it is again on the way so that it is working. It is not so beautiful anymore, but it is working. That is the important part about that, right? We're trying to do some fast Duolingo, especially on the parts which we already should know very well. And going to take, of course, longer on those parts which are new for us. Right? Alright. And anyway, it doesn't matter what we are doing or which subject we are working on. Never forget, if there is something that you want to talk about, don't hesitate. Just talk. Everything that is going on in your life and around you is important. We definitely have to change the music soon. But what? Again wrong? Okay, now I have it. I don't know what was happening, but now we have it. Alright, so letter number 2. Let's take a look. All right.
No.
So the ta looks like a T. It doesn't.
Da.
It's wrong.
Da.
This looks like too hard. It is. It is strange indeed. Hindi is a little bit strange, but interesting.
Da. Da.
Especially if I am focused, then it is interesting. Alright, focus a little bit more. But with time comes disillusion. And there are some hints, like the ja looks almost like the ja here as well, right? J, and this could be a with
Ja.
a lot of fantasy.
Ja. Da. 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 Da.
Da, da, da. Ja.
Ja.
This looks almost like a J as well, right? With the H in it. There is something that almost the sounds which we are making are almost looking like the symbols that we are writing.
Da. Da. Da.
That's quite nice. Ta,
Ta. Ja.
ja.
Ja. Ja. Ja.
But what is quite difficult, at least for a German, Russian, English mind, is that they have a lot of sounds which are not common in the German languages,
Ja. Ja.
in the Slavic.
Ja. 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 Ta. Cha. Da.
It was the right thing
Da.
at least.
Da. Da. Cha.
Cha. This is the T,
Ja.
almost like a T.
Ja. Ja. Ta. Ta. Da. Ta.
Alright. So what is the ta? That is the
Da.
ta. This is the na, right? Like take in Russian. Na. And this is the ta. Okay.
Da.
Da. Dacha. Dacha. It's also a good thing. Dacha means like little farmhouse, or I'm not sure if the English speaking word is common with the word dacha, the Russian
Do.
dacha.
Do. Do. Do.
Do.
Do.
Ge.
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 Chu. Chu. Chu.
Chu.
Chu. Chu. Chu.
Chu. Chu. Chu. Chu.
Che.
J. So this becomes a lot harder. We have now to think about what this symbol was, and because of those two little ears on the head, it's becoming an chai. It's like getting an I to
Ju.
that.
Ju. Ju. Ge.
And here is the G that we know from the beginning, and because of the one ear,
Kro.
it's a J.
Kro. Kro. Ja.
Ja. So did C and A with an additional A, or the A with the roof? Cow. Cow.
Go. Chi.
Go. Was it the Chi? And this is the Chi now. Cow. Chi. Oh, I'm realizing that the latency is very big, by the way.
Gi. 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 Go.
It's almost It's almost 30 seconds, isn't it? It's very long.
Go.
Is this usual?
Go. Care. Care. Care.
Ka. Cha. One
Cha.
more time. Cha, but with the A. With the roof.
T. T. T.
Now it's the English T, not the cha. Not the T of the other. Because chai or cha in Chinese is tea. Right?
Ja. O. O. O.
Should be this. It's not.
J. 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 O.
Oh. So, but this is the usual O, isn't it? Okay,
G.
now I'm totally
G.
confused again.
G. G. Ja.
Though I shouldn't be so confused.
Ja. Ja. Go. Go.
Go. Okay, wait. Of course it's not GH because it's a K. A KO. Okay, I have to be more focused again.
O. O. Ja. O. O.
Hmm. Oh, this is an A and this is an U. And what is this then?
O. Go.
Call. Alright, this is enough with Hindi for today. I don't want to do something new. I think I'm just going on with programming something. By the way, I'm realizing that our follower count is not right. I think we have about 30 followers, right? Is that right? 30? Yes, we have 30 followers. So this is something that I would like to correct on our Stripe down there. Should be this one. By the way, I still don't know why the alert box is not working, because actually it should work, but it's, if I'm right, it's not working, right? Wait, so I'm emulate. Oh, this. But wait, it's just, why is the alert box not working? I don't know. We are not going to do that now. We are changing our follower statistics. Because we don't have 37, we have just 30 followers. That is the problem of if someone is so we have just 30. Still a long way to go to 50. But step by step, who knows? Maybe someday. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do... Oh, by the way, I think we... If I'm right, we are not on Duolingo, right? We haven't been on the category, on the Duolingo category. Right? Yeah, we are in science. Alright, we are in science. Science is okay. Okay, what is going on here? Is it loading or not? I'm going to do a little update of our font. So our cryptocurrency is updated. So this is the amount at the moment, 1,825. We are up again 1.34%. That's not bad, right? And now we're going to update our statistics here. All right. So this is our new statistics. All right. So after that, oh great, that is very good. 1 second, I'm going to change to this. Going to change to this. And then we're going to our... Oh, was that a drop? By the way, I think I can't see the frame rate at the moment. Oh, there it is. Okay. So our little web app is working at the moment. This is already not bad, right? It's already not bad. All right. So this is how it looks. This is our database, if you would like to say it like this. Here we can see our... What is happening? Here we can see our things that we have done, or my body trainings, which are not many at the moment. So let's take a look how this works. I mean, it is not taking the 0, but I think that's totally fine. It's totally fine. It doesn't need to do the 0. That's how many things we have done in 7 days. It's quite something, interestingly. Okay, the next step I would like to do is that we are able to see this statistics from here, actually. This is something I would like to do, so the statistics for the day would be cool. The statistics of the day, and maybe the last thing that I've done. So if it was chest push-up, then maybe it should show me there. What do you think about that? That doesn't sound so bad, does it? And now the question is, how are we going to do that exactly? I mean, we could use simply these boxes, right? I think. And we could implement them by
Ganz ehrlich,
probably
Buchhaltung
the
ist doch
same
super
thing.
nervig. Aber mit Zefdesk kann ich meine
Probably the same way as we are doing this thing here. And this is actually simply doing a variable, which we have here, right? Yes, here's our list, var list, get range, So get range. What is this white? Wait, what? What is this? I didn't see that you are seeing something strangely white. I don't even understand what this is. What is this? I'm confused. No idea what that is. Where does it come from? I don't know. Okay, it's gone again, but I don't know what it was. Strange. Alright. We're not alone. Did it just appear? I don't know where it was from. It was strange. Oh, wait a second. Kaki, hello. Sorry, I hope I'm not too late reacting on your message. Somehow I didn't see it. We do not have many friends yet on Africa TV. So Kaki, I hope you're doing well. How are you? Kaki. Interesting name. All right. So I'm trying to understand how we can do that. Return TMP evaluate. We have still the logger here. Actually, I'm trying to remember how this really worked. And how we can change that in order to receive what we need. So tmp.list. TMP list map function R. What is the R standing for? Return R0. And here we are getting this thing, like doing I list. It's not easy to understand, to be honest. So we are getting this from this. All right. Yes, I'm thinking quite a lot at the moment. I'm thinking about if we should do a new function or if we can take the same function and do something else with it. So let's play around a little bit. Let's play around with our code and what we are seeing here, right? The first thing I'm gonna say is that we need a new var. A var vs, let's call it 2. Which is actually, yeah, let's copy that. It would be smarter. So let's call it vs2, which is set get by name, and we are going to take the name activity overview or something like that. Overview. This is how we are going to call it. Activity overview. So and then. So we do have that thing. Get range, get data region, get last row, get values, get last row. Do we have to do always a get range? That is what I'm wondering about. If you're taking a look on our body training, by the way, we do have here some macros as well already, right? This is something, oh no, not that, where is it? There should be something like a, oh, this is scripted right here. Those are the macros for which I have created by recording it. By recording a macro, which is creating actually simply a new line, and then erases every point. Like if you're taking a look, for example, if you're going to erase the new thing, it is going basically creating a new line, a new column, and erasing everything that was in it. So that is what we are doing. And this is just doing that if the new date is another date than the last one. So actually, this is more or less what I would like to do. Get display value. So we are going on to so we are going to have a var activities. So act overview. Let's call it act over, no, small act over. Act over. We're going to have an act over. And we are using the spreadsheet SS. Get range from, wait, what? Oh no, VS2 is already, so we can VS2, right? VS2 get range should be not needed, or is it needed? Wait, tracker B1. Or can we say B1? Can we say just B1? Then we would be where? Activity overview B1. Should receive then this. Just want to try it out. We're just playing around at the moment. All right, so act over, and then TMP evaluate. var TMP's HTML service create template from file. Doesn't it need actually semicolon here? I'm just wondering. And here as well. Is it just working with that? Let me save it and take a look if it is working. Alright. So what is going on here? It is still working. It's already not bad. So let's say bike. Okay, this is already good. It is still working. Now, I just wonder if you are going to say. So, if we are going to take this act over thing, which is gray at the moment, does it mean that it is not used anywhere? If you're going to say here something like act over, is it going to show us something already? No, act over is not defined. Alright, it's not defined. So that means that at the moment it is still not sent from here to the other thing. So maybe if we're going to do something like return act over dot evaluate. I don't know what this does, but let's take a look if it works. It is gray. Probably it's not working. That's what I assume. No. So this is also not that what is necessary. Okay. So do we need this? So probably we are needing something like that. We're going to need something like that, maybe. But what is TMP actually? It's called team. Oh wait. Whoa, what am I doing? Alright, do we need maybe something like TMP act over? This equals list.map. What is map? Alright, wait, we are getting TMP title. So TMP act over. We don't have a title there, right? So this. We are getting that to get a better thing also here. Where do we get it? We're getting it to get a better is simply. Where is it? It's here. It's title. All right. And act over, and the title is simply like TMP act over. Isn't it enough then to say something like I'm going to take that till the end, but I think TMP act. Is it enough to write it like that? TMP act over? No. Equals act over. I don't know. Let's try it like that. Okay. It is at least not an error anymore, but it also appears like it is not giving us anything, is it? So we basically have writing here TMP title, TMP create page dot title, right? Is that what is going on here? Have I written that right, by the way? Activity overview. That is right, right? Can we do maybe first, before we do activity overview, which is... Let's do activity tracker, actually. First. So like we as get range. Is it right with these things? Because there it is with these things. Is it maybe because of that? Because maybe it's simply okay. What I would like to change is that we are doing that act over, not here in the list, but here and with the title. Because maybe, by the way, no, it's not here, right? It's not. Okay, at the moment it appears like act over is simply empty, right? Act over is simply empty at the moment. Get range. Games Mike, guten Abend. Schön, dich zu sehen. Wie geht es dir? Mir geht es soweit ganz gut. Etwas Kopfschmerzen, aber sonst ganz okay. So startet unsere übliche Runde. Schön, dich zu sehen. Ich habe mir schon etwas Sorgen gemacht um dich, muss ich sagen. Mir schien es, als konnte ich dich nach meiner Gratulation gestern nicht mehr in Duolingo finden. Ich dachte schon, ist irgendwas passiert. Ich hoffe, dir geht's gut. Irgendwas ist hier immer noch falsch. Something is still wrong here. Get display value, get values, get data region. vs.get range. does mean that get sheet by name. Oh, we are in activities. Actually, we are in activities at the moment. That would be fine, right? Oh no, it would be not fine. Wait, why are we in activities? Why is this not working? Okay, if this is all right here. And we are at the moment in activity overview. Activity overview. Let's try. Okay, wait. Let's try activities again, but with A1. Games Mike, what are you learning today? Which languages are on your line for you today? Sehen wir übrigens irgendwas hier? Nein. Ne? Englisch? Du lernst heute Englisch? Ernsthaft? Wie kommt das? Ich bin überrascht. Ich wüsste nicht, dass du noch Unterricht in Englisch bräuchtest. Englisch für Deutschsprachige. Englisch für Deutschsprachige. Das heißt, du lernst Englisch aus dem Deutschen heraus. In Wirklichkeit lernst du also Deutsch sozusagen. Und wie ist es? Merkst du irgendwelche großen Unterschiede? Im Vergleich zu... Ich glaube nicht, dass du Englisch aus dem Norwegischen gelernt hast, richtig? Welche... Es ist eine sehr wichtige Sprache in der Welt. Das ist wohl wahr. It is a very important language, it is. That is absolutely true. Okay, let me try something out. Welche Kombination mit Englisch hattest du denn sonst noch? Ich glaube, du hattest von irgendwas anderem auch noch erzählt, oder? Deshalb sollte man es lernen. Du solltest am besten noch sagen, wie du so häufig sagst, du solltest auch Englisch lernen. Also zu mir. Und ich würde dir vollkommen zustimmen. Okay. Offensichtlich funktioniert hier irgendwas noch gar nicht. Wieso landet der TMP-Titel Lerne es mit dir? Englisch. Hast du am Anfang den Test gemacht? Den Sprachtest? Habe ich eigentlich Englisch hier? Ja. I speak. Da muss ich sagen, I speak Deutsch. Those are all the languages which are there. Wow. GameStrike schreibt, oh, GameStrike writes, I have the feeling that we could be quite well in that. Or very well. Yeah, probably. Or maybe. I'm actually very bad in English, to be honest. Choose your path. Have you done the test? I'm not sure if... What? There are just three rounds? Like three steps? That's not much.
A woman. Has plates.
Oh, that is vollkommen golden. Unser Hut, our hats.
R.
Unser Hut, our hats.
Hat.
Ah, ja. Der Kurs wird lila.
Du bist als Freelancer oder Selbstständiger tätig?
3 in a
Whose
row.
code is it? Whose code is it?
Wow, but the voice is very bad. Whose voice is it? Whose code, not whose voice.
The director.
The director.
The director. Director.
I can feel it.
I feel it.
I feel it. That's good.
His chair.
His chair. Oh, wait. Well, that is fun. I can feel it. I feel it, yeah. Maybe we should do some Duolingo voiceovers. I mean, like, how is it called? It's called voiceover, right? Duolingo voiceover. Mein Vater ist im Garten.
Father.
Oh my god.
My
My
father.
father. My father.
Is in the garden.
Those voices are just awesome.
A car from Germany.
A car from Germany.
Car from Germany.
And you like it? You're doing that, really? Juniors atemvoll durch die Nacht. Games Mike, du kennst ja sogar deutsche Lieder. Das bringt mich zum Denken. Games Mike, das bringt mich zum Denken. Was ist, wenn du in Wirklichkeit ein Deutscher in Norwegen bist? Kaum. Aber Eline Fischer kennst du. Atemvoll durch die Nacht. Anscheinend. It appears like you know Helen Fisher. Passt in das Auto. Wow, that sounds very killing.
He
Fits
fit
in the car.
car. He did not play on Friday.
He did not play on Friday. spielte nicht. Er spielte nicht am Freitag. Das ist kein gutes Deutsch. Deutsche Musik hört sich nicht so gut an. Genau. So ist es. So ist es. Er spielt nicht am Freitag. Er spielt nicht am Freitag. Seltsamer deutscher Satz. Mein Rock ist lang.
My skirt is long.
My skirt is long.
The night is long.
Präteritum. Korrekt.
How do you talk?
How do you talk?
do you talk?
Mm. Präteritum. Präteritum. Präsens. Präsens. Präteritum. Präteritum. Is that what you are learning at the moment?
I.
Oh, now it's getting harder with plusquamperfect and so on. I mean, the funny thing is, German are using more the plusquamperfect, exactly with this I have heard. And in English, it's actually more often used the simple preteritum. It's not called preteritum, is it? The past. Simple past. Konjunktiv Präteritum. Du kennst sogar die ganzen Grammatikwörter. Why there have a gray there in this lesson? A gray? A gray hair in the lesson? You mean this, the person? Why he has gray hair? Yeah, this is because my dark mode. The brave dark mode is doing that to him. It's actually not even an extension, it's the brave intern thing. But it's okay. The man with the gray hair. Is that what you mean, Wally? The gray hair? Wait, is that now I have heard, or is it now I heard?
Heard.
Wait, yeah, I heard. So
Heard.
That's what I said. I heard that
That.
she
had come here.
What's
I had called his
Superstars
father.
mode. Yeah, superstars, like very super old. GameSmug, what? Really? I started developing my own dark mode extension for Duolingo. It was a pain. I'm interested in how to develop actually plugins and extensions. For which browser did you develop it? Or just for Chrome? Or I mean, it's if you are developing it for Chrome, then it is Chrome. Very interesting. That's very interesting. I was thinking about plugins lately because I'm thinking about something that can do, yeah, well, different things, right? Like getting information from the sites we're on and putting them into statistics. So for example, if we're playing together GeoGuessr, I would like to get that information, put that in a statistics of from us together, right? So that we don't have to do that by hand, but and I think this is possible by a plugin, by extension, right? Because with an extension we can get information from different sites we are on. Is that correct? And so sorry, Wally, that was very hard words and hard sentences. I hope you are still with us, understanding what is going on. I had called his father.
I like sports.
I like sports. Wir schließen Brasilien mit ein.
We are include Brazil.
The film.
The film?
The film.
All texts come from him.
All texts come from him. Well, this is very interesting. So, Games Mike, you're not giving me an answer? Is it too complicated what I have asked? Es gibt übrigens einen Deutschkurs für Russischsprachige, wirklich. Das stimmt, ja. Das weiß ich sogar. Den gibt's sogar recht lang, glaube ich schon. So, Games Mike, do you have an answer about the extensions? No? You don't want to... I get the feeling that you don't like to talk about programming on stream. Die Definition steht im Buch.
The.
Da. That is a sound. Da.
The.
Da. The definition.
Is in
The
book.
Da. Da. I mean that these persons have gray hair because of mod. Yeah, they have because of mod. Ich mache Sachen. Wait, mod? Because of mod? Do you mean modification? This is what we were talking about. If you are talking about modifications, mods, plugin, yeah. Exactly. That is what we were talking about. But plugin is written like that. Plugin. So almost. Yes, that is what we are talking about. Because of the plugin, the beer has a gray nose as well.
We
will have called the police. Absolutely no problem. I'm just... Yeah, here Games Mike is now totally correct. Absolutely no problem, Wally. We're just correcting. Sie wird unser Essen genommen haben.
She will have taken our food.
Wow. Wow. They like it really to play with this difference between... Look at this. She has nice gray hair and gray eyes. No, you're welcome. Thanks for writing. Sie wird den Bus genommen haben. Yeah. They really like it to play with that.
She will have taken the bus.
Is it the last one? Oh, es wird sich zum Schwimmen entschieden. Er wird sich zum Schwimmen entschieden haben. Wow, this is a sentence which you will never hear in German.
He will
Wait, he will have chosen to
swim.
Future perfect died? Well, wait. He will. Oh, and she then. Sorry. That was a misclick, more or less. Is that what you have, why you have written died? Because it was a mistake. I'm bad. I don't deserve it. Is it because of the last error? Yeah, I saw it. It was a misclick. I saw that. Chosen is so close to gewählt or something. No. Even if you get them all right, you don't get 100%. The most I ever got was 80% of the course. I mean, yeah, it would make much sense, right? To that everything would be do the last test. What do you mean, the last? This one? Oh, we can do the last test at the end?
No tax.
Oh man, I have to write here. No tags. Oh, this is difficult. I don't know what. Keine Steuern? Keine Steuer. Yeah, this is discussable. What book are you going to?
The role.
The role. I mean, it's not really a sentence. It's very strange. They will have an hour.
She is fast.
But it's not that. This is easier than the test.
We see the long table.
Auf Englisch schreiben. We see. What?
We see the long table.
We see the long table.
My parents have forced me to go with them.
Almost me. Hello there. How's it going? What shall I say? GamesMike has seduced us. Seduced. To go and learn English from German. Don't ask. I don't know what I'm doing, why I'm doing that. Probably because GamesMike asked it. Asked to do so. But how about you? How's it going on your side? How's it going? My parents have forced me to go with them. Dazu geht's. Oh, whoa, this is difficult to say how they're really translating it. Okay.
Let me finish.
Almost Me writes, I faced this technique before, though it was called as cross-language learning or something. It is. You bewildered me? What does bewildered mean? Never heard it. Wow, look at this picture. Wow. Elegant figures in the saloon, attributed to Alfred Stevens. What are they playing there? Is it possible? Wait, we have to zoom in, right? Oh no, wait a second. Oh, this painting looks great. I don't know. Looks fine. Nice painting. Oh wait, what does What does big-willed mean? I don't know the word big-willed. Big-willed. German. Games Mike, what a beautiful word. Where are you getting those beautiful words? Fancy, yes. It's fancy. Games Mike has big-willed me. Video games, oh. Can you remember where you have heard the word big-willed? What was it? What was he saying?
Let me finish.
Oh, this is not easy to translate. Let me finish. Some fantasy games. Okay. You're secretly like a secret agent. Secret agent. You're a secret agent. Like a secret agent. Don't tell it. You are telling us something sometimes, but never everything. What is he telling about? Saying?
Let me finish.
Let me finish. Lass es mich zu Ende machen. The problem is we don't know if he is talking to more people. Lass mich ausreden. Oh. Oh. This is very discussable. We can discuss this. Well, that's called having a short-term memory. Let me finish. Yeah, I mean, of course it can mean lass mich ausreden, like let me finish to say what I'm saying, but that's not. Yeah.
The heads.
Nah. The heads? What?
It is your turn.
Oh man, I don't know. It is... Du bist dran. Du bist am Zug. Well. I mean, translation is not the... well, that's called having... Wait, sometimes you gotta say A without saying B. Almost Me is saying that we should watch Bob Ross. Well, you typed in the wrong language. Oh, really?
She does not answer me.
Auf Deutsch... Wait, what? I did? I like Bob Ross. I have watched Bob Ross hours and hours when I was falling asleep. Maybe 15 years ago. 17 years ago, maybe. Bob Ross is king. I'm gonna take a browser. To be honest, I'm not painting as well, by the way, because Games Mike writes I'm never painting, but I've never painted as well. I was just listening to Bob Ross. He was... I've never understood what he was talking, because when I was 16 years ago or 17 years ago, I was not very good in English. And I've had no idea what he was talking about. Ich male nie. I am a male though. Oh, whoa. Games Mike is playing with the languages. Because ich male nie means I never paint in German, but in English I'm a male means obviously I'm a male. Oh, by the way, action, hello. Sorry, I'm again very bad in seeing the African TV chat. So hello, I turned on the broadcast early. Action writes, it is early in the morning in South Korea. You always enjoy this program. You always enjoy this program? Yeah, the Duolingo program I'm very enjoying. especially if Games Mike is. How did you say Games Mike? Beguiled me. Games Mike beguiled me to do some Duolingo. So Action, how is it in South Korea? How is it doing? How is it doing? How is South Korea doing? Beguiled, yes, that was the word. Beguiled. I have to memorize that. I hope you're still with us, Action, because I'm feeling bad if I'm not realizing that there are people writing in a free category. And hello there, Jesigna, is that alright? Jesigna, yes, that is German. Games Mike, our friend from the chat, just said, man, you have to do German to English. This is German, yes. Is it what you're talking about that, or the programming? Because I'm now changing a lot of languages. Almost Me writes German actually is a better language than JavaScript. Well, we could argue about that. Jessica, are you learning also a language? Are you here because of Duolingo? Is that what have beguiled you, maybe? As our friend Games Mike would say. We are learning new things. Today we are learning something that we actually should know, because German is something I should know. She does not answer me. I have to write in German, right? So Jessica is saying, I'm trying learning English. What is your native language then, if I may ask? Almost Me writes, I feel so lazy to make progress in Duolingo last time. So I mean, like lately? Oh, Jessica is from Portugal. Oh, from Brazil. Portuguese from Brazil. I think Games Mike is going to write you something. Brazil, oh. Wait, Portuguese is not buenos. Buenos dias, right? That is Espanol. Games Mike, write something in Portuguese. Please. So wait, if you are in Brazil, what time is it now? About 4 o'clock? Bom dia. Oh. Bom dia, Jessica. Mucho gusto. No, wait, it's against Espanol, right? I don't know any words, I think, in Portuguese. But some words in Espanol, though not many. And Almost Me writes, yes, maybe lately is more closer to my thought. Oh yes, there are Almost Me, by the way, it is like lately, because, or in the last time, you could say as well. Games Mike is there, back again. Here he can flex and now. Here. Como você está? Is that Espanol or is it Portuguese, by the way? Jessica. You know what? I think we should go to Duolingo, to GeoGuessr. Why? Because I'm not showing you anything at the moment, so I can show you some GeoGuessr at least. So bom dia means good day, right? Oh, good evening, hello, something like that. Esto bem means something like, I think, how are you, right? So the GamesMag writes, no valo portugués, aprendo español. Aprendo before something? Boa tarde aqui. Oh, boa tarde means good day, hello, right? I did some Portuguese from Spanish. Oh, you mean like from Duolingo? That was... Oh no, but I think I could be a good Portuguese speaking person, by the way. And Almost Me writes, I always mess last time with equal Russian meaning itself. Last time with equal Russian meaning? Last time. В последнее время? Последнее время. Boa tarde is good afternoon. Boa tarde. But bom dia, boa tarde. So is it masculine, or is the day masculine, or is it female? Is boa bamboa? Where is boa coming from? Then GamesMag writes, buenos dias, buenas tardes. Boa tarde. Jessica, are you talking about me, about Almost Native? Definitely not, right? You're talking about GamesMag, I think. Spanish is weird, so they use plural to say good. Good time of the day. Buenas tardes. Buenos dias. Boa. You need to hurt the d sound in the Portuguese. Yeah, Almost Me. I don't know what is going on as well. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Bom dia. Wally. By the way, Wally, Almost Me is able to speak Russian, so, and he's learning English as well. So Almost Me and Wally, you have the opportunity and possibility to help each other, by the way. If we are not helping at all. So friends, what do you think? Shall we do some GeoGuessr something? Play with friends. Battle Royale countries. Let's do that. GamesMag, are you in? Everyone who wants to join can join for free and we can play together. GeoGuessr. And also everyone on Nemo TV. Here is the link. Does someone want to play? Or am I get the feeling like the chat is with a very big latency. Now suddenly there appeared some text. Interesting. Is my chat maybe not working? Okay, Almost Me writes, there are so many people who learn so much languages. I even can't be fluent in my native. Yeah, that's the problem, I have the same. And Wally says, nice to meet you. I assume to almost me. GamesMike writes, as a Russian speaker, you can basically speak Portuguese fluently. Yeah, well, I'm not sure. Não sou norueguês. Não sou norueguês. Almost Me writes, actually, life becomes quite weird sometimes. My native is Ukrainian, but I feel a lot more fluent in Russian. I have the problem that I can't say which language I can speak at all. That is the biggest problem, probably. I'm not very good in German. Yeah, maybe I'm quite well in German. But my English has problems from time to time. And my Russian is... nah. So GamesMike... Okay, no one wants to play with me Battle Royale countries, right? Is that what I... Is that what I can feel here? GameStop writes, and I found out my Russian layout has access to the Ukrainian letters. At least one of them. I have to check the one I'm currently on, if it has them as well. Is that Ukrainian, really? It does. Alright, no one wants to do GeoGuessr with me, so I'm... So I'm just going on and... She does not answer me.
I have tried today.
What? What did she do?
I have tried today.
I have tried today? What did she try today?
That does not affect me.
Russian R equals G, Ukrainian R equals H, I equals G. Are we now in math? What is going on? Actually, Ukrainian language uses a mark inside words. What does it mean, a mark inside words? Question mark? Or this mark which you have written, this little sign? I don't know how it's called actually. The comma in the air. Apostrophe, yeah, apostrophe. Oh, the apostrophe is used as a hard sign in Ukrainian. So to make the hard soundings. Yes, that's true, GamesMike. Absolutely true. That is absolutely true. That does not affect me. What does it mean? Das hat keine Auswirkung auf mich. Und das bedeutet mir nichts. I'm not... Oh, das betrifft mich nicht. Yeah, well.
There is no security at all.
There is no... at all.
How much will I receive?
I have a problem with this.
The teacher will cover the desk.
Almost Me writes not so quiet about G, H, and the G with the epistrophe, actually. How is that? It is different than GamesMike has written. Russian R is a G. So X or H in Russian is almost clear H in hunt, like in a Russia. So in Russia it's not that clear. Hunt. 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 Yeah, right. In Russian it would be era hunt. 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 Interesting, by the way.
The teacher will cover the desk.
How, almost me, how to say in Ukrainian, my name is Robert, or my name is whatever, whoever.
The teacher will cover the desk.
So how is it written in Ukrainian actually as well?
The teacher will cover the desk.
What, the teacher will what? Cover the desk? Will cover the desk.
The laboratory.
Das Labor.
The tradition.
It's very strange. Oh, I have to write it in English. Not in German, that is the problem. That was bad. Well, we were trying just by fun the last thing and I was bad in it. GamesMike writes, I was just pointing out the romanizations. G is a very accident and loud hard. Wally writes, and Wally writes, she remembers when she was 15 years, she spent one whole day or to learn Ukrainian text, so words. A whole day to learn the Ukrainian text, really. Wally. That's interesting. I've never tried to understand Ukrainian or to read Ukrainian. That would be probably the better thing. My name is Robert, yes. Oh, GamesMike, you are Robert as well. And Almost Me writes, by the way, Ukrainian has a very easy phonetics. You actually can pronounce Ukrainian text in first day of learning. Oh, GamesMike, you are too perfect in language things. I totally agree with you, as usual. So there's no vowel switching and so on. But how... GamesMike writes to Almost Me, Russian is the only weird Slavic language. Yeah, I mean, Russian is very strange in writing words. But, well, not everything seems what it is. Alright, so we are switching back to our usual... Oh, here are even stories. I've never had the opportunity to hear stories. How can I change back now? Oh, there are more courses in Russian than in German. Du brütet noch. Funny. Oh, look, you can learn Ukrainian from Russian. So, Almost Me, you still did not write how to write or how to say I am I'm Robert or I am almost me. Would be nice to know. Or my name is. I mean, I could also check it somewhere, but then it's not so interesting. Okay, I'm usually in English, right? Yeah, that is. I'm usually learning Klingon. Alright. Have I changed that now? Yes. Okay. So we are back on track. Back on track. Oh, almost me. Then if it is you don't have, if it is hard, I mean, if you don't have it on your keyboard, you don't have to do that. I thought if you are just having it on your keyboard and it's not too hard, then it would be fine. But don't do too much work. Just chill. Games Mike writes Yazık, but it actually sounds like Yüzük. Yüzük. And Games Mike writes, my brain is tired. I have had 3 long days at university in a row. 3 long days. How long is the long day? So from 10 o'clock in the morning. You're sleeping not enough, my friend. 6-7 hours. Don't type. Just chill out. Listen to the music, to my voice, if you like. Just vibe, yes. Oh, almost me writes, it's something like 2 common cases. Як тебе звать? Меня звати Роберт. Як тебе звати? Моє ім'я Роберт. Cool. But probably I have pronounced it wrong, right? Як тебе звати? Як тебе звати? Мене звати Роберт. Як тебе звати? Моє ім'я Роберт. That's interesting. It's probably how I would write in Russian, because I'm very bad in writing in Russian. By the way, Wally, can you remember something from Ukrainian? From the days back when you have been 15 years old? Practice. Learn Russian on Duolingo. My Russian is a little bit better than the Russian on Duolingo, but just a little bit. But you are right. I could and will do that probably as well. Jessica writes, it's almost impossible. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, it is Cyrillic, right? Still, it's using the Cyrillic letters, so Jessica, I don't know if you can understand or know the Cyrillic letters, but without that, it's getting rough. And almost me right. Sometimes Ukrainian makes so close to English, sometimes Ukrainian is so close to English. In cases like it doesn't have any sense. Це не має сенсу. Це не має сенсу. Занимаю сенсу. Wally writes, if I remember right, then in Ukrainian, the E is written, no, not written, is read as a as a. Це має сенсу? Is it more like that? Yes, there is a as a Russian. Yeah. Wow. Friends, I'm getting confused with languages now. I have to say, it is getting confusing. I как so the E sounds like a and I как I. Okay. Yes, there is a S. Yes, just like that. Huh. That's interesting and difficult, I have to say. Okay, I'm going to do now some Duolingo, some GeoGuessr, till you are doing your things. How was it? There were some daily challenge. Let's do daily challenge together. And while we are doing that, we can still talk about interesting English stuff. And we can decide together where we are. Because we are better together, right? Maybe we are somewhere in Russia, by the way. If I am taking a look on this trees. How are those trees called actually? Birches? Really? I've never known that. Are those birches? I think they are. Okay, which direction shall we go? Let's go there. I'm not sure if I want to change our category to GeoGuessr, because that would mean that that there would maybe join some Cap Pele Saint Andre Le Blanc. Is that French? Or is it exit sortie? That's not French, is it? Somehow it feels like it is maybe South American. I'm not sure if Jessica is still with us. Cap Pele Saint Andre Le Blanc. Le Blanc sounds so French. Exit sortie. Alright, if I'm taking a look on these cars, I would say we are in the USA, but this is definitely not true. Nah? Jessica, this is not South America? Huh. Do you have any guesses? Wally, what do you think? Where are we? I have no idea. Be honest. Games might think now, oh, I don't want to ride. I don't want to ride. You didn't want to play, right? So now we have to okay. Let me think. Let me say. I have no idea. That's what I'm gonna say. I don't even know which language it is. Games Mike is playing Duolingo. I have no idea. Wally has no. It was Canada. It was Canada. Yeah, that's why there was French, right? There are some French Le Blanc, some French speaking parts if I remember right. Almost Me writes, Ukrainian language, very interesting. Ukrainian language is very interesting. You are allowed to transform some kind of consonants and vowels between each other in a way to make pronouns more harmonic. Really? You are allowed to change how you write? But are there some rules to do that? Or is it just like you feel? So Jessica. It was French, yes. As we have said, right? Okay, this is something very Slavic. So, friends, Wally, and Almost Me, what do you think? Where are we? Учебники. 1000 меховых. Is that Russia? What would you say? Hurrah! Wally understands what is going on. But now we have to find out where in Russia we are. Русское золото.
Schon wieder Werbung?
Oh no,
Moment.
advertisement. Where are we here? I'm not sure. Most Ukrainian cities have a Russian everywhere too. They have, but this is definitely Russia. This is definitely Russia. Oh, listen to that. Games Mike has the king crown in what are you doing actually? Are you still doing German to English? Grobu. I don't know where we are. Памятники Венки. Games Mike, congratulations. That's very great, my friend. Well, I should choose Russia at least, and I think difficult to say where we are. Maybe Kazan. No, it's not Kazan. It's something smaller, but no idea. Unfortunately, we can't see here at the moment any country, city name yet. Kovka. Geoquiz. Or is it maybe Ukrainian? No, it is RF. Stavropol. Oh, we are in Stavropol. That is actually a place where a friend of mine comes from. He's from Stavropol. But I was too slow. But that was not bad, friends, huh? What do you think? That was not bad. Almost Me writes, yes, you are allowed to change B or V in Russian and U in some cases, like too many consonants before first B allows you to soften B to U, like that уже, вже, увесь, весь, увесь. No, it's actually oves, probably, because it's Ukrainian, right? Imenia. I actually can't rip that around to understand how it really works. I don't know how that works in daily language. Oh, look at this. We are probably Where are we? Residenze Sant Nicolas. Vital Bike. Dijon.com. South. South? South means in German like drink. Is it maybe Luxembourg or something? Gastronomy Chinois Hupa. Oh, that was République. I think it is somewhere in French. In French, in France. Maybe. Fourth et 6 Rue de la Prière. Is that French? I think. In Fixin. Fixin, is that a city? No idea where that bay is. Fixin. Rue Street, yes. That's what I thought. So 4th and 6th Street de la Pierre. Perrière. But I don't know where Fixin is. Does someone know where maybe Fixin is in French? Oh, here's Nancy. Oh, this is not what we are looking for. Le Puy? But how can we... Maybe we can find some other signs. Français. Place Wilson. Pessançon. Puis Lyon. Wait, Lyon. Where's Lyon? There's Lyon. There's Lyon. Maybe somewhere here close. Should be Fixin. I don't know, but we are going to enjoy now a little bit the place. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, that was quite far away, so it was closer to Dijon. It was actually in Dijon. Dijon. Interesting. Alright, let's go on. It looks nice here, very green. Probably somewhere in Europe. Jessica, are you still with us? Jessica? Or is it Jessica? Is it actually does it sound actually like Jessica? Because this would sound actually more like Russian, to be honest. Jessica. I'm not Volk. Volk, yes. Pizza, Volk, Savna. But this is not German. Graska Gora. Okay, Slavic. Gora means like wow, must be Switzerland. But this is not Switzerland, is that? Oh, that was a joke. You all know what time it is. It's late, right? Because there was Italian pizza and German folk. Must be Switzerland. Now I get it. That is good. Italian pizza and German folk. That is very good. That makes sense. Okay, I'm thinking about something like an I don't know, maybe maybe here, maybe there. Thinking about Slovakia, but I think is maybe Slovakia. Gaberke Plisevic. All right. Let's enjoy a little bit the view. Let's go somewhere. Dobro došli. That's nice. Like, it sounds like Russian, good arrived by foot. So something like that. Oh, it was Slovenia. Yeah, almost. Almost me writes, by the way. There is more examples. So there are more examples of harmony, or there are more examples of harmony shifting in cases of conjunction v, u, uv, which depends of surrounding characters. Я жив у сели. What does я жив у сели mean? Я жив у сели. Does it mean like I'm living in Seli? But I don't know where Seli is. Я жив в Америце. I think я жив в Америце means like I'm living in America. Я живу в Америце. Oh, this is exactly where it is changing, right? Я жив в... Жив means lived. I lived. Я жив. Because it sounds like I'm alive. I'm alive. Я жив. Okay, we're getting to the last round of today. Wow. Let's just enjoy that view. It doesn't matter where we are. We are on Earth. This is all that matters. And it's all that is important for now. It's very flat though. Can't even say where are such flat lands. Somehow it's nice. It's just a long road to nowhere. So almost me. What would you say? Is there something? What do you feel? Is there something that you like about Ukrainian language more than about Russian, and the other way around? I mean, you talked about the possibilities that it is easier in a way with the Ukrainian, but also it's interesting how you feel the different languages. I mean, it is, I think, like the difference between German and Bavarian, though Bavarian is of course German as well, but oh, Ukraine has actually a very hard numerals, so numbers. Or what do you mean by numerals? I'm not sure what numerals mean. Hello there. Hello, friend farmer. May you say where we are here in this place? Well, what was that? I love this road. It's just great. Well, sometimes we really have just to enjoy where we are. It was somewhere in Russia, in the middle of nowhere. Borodovka. Borodonivka. Alright friends, that was enough of GeoGuessr as well for today. I want to try a little bit more of programming, though it's not working. Wally thought it was Kazakhstan. Yeah, could be right. And it was very close actually, if we are honest. Because take a look at this. It was very close. Look, that is very close to Kazakhstan actually. So that's why it is very, very, very extraordinary. Yeah. Kazakhstan. Almost me writes, spelling of any kind of numbers. There are a lot of types, exceptions, shifts, and cases of every kind of every decade. Really? Of every decade, 100, 1,000, etc. And different combinations can have a different case rule. Well, this sounds very complicated indeed. So it's not working like 1, 2, then 10 plus 1 and so on. So, or 21, 22. It's different. Or is it just very strange in the bigger things like decades and hundreds? Oh, this is our other head. We're here, right? So can someone tell me why I don't get the information I want to receive? It's a huge, much complicated than Go in Russian. Then Go in Russian? Go, идти? Are you talking about, like, Go? Or are you talking about the game Go? I'm not sure. Okay, wait. Let's think one more time. Yep, thousands of forms of Go, depends on situation and intuitive perception of it. So I mean, in Russian there are different forms of Go. Идти, ходить, пошли. Is that what you're talking about? Yes. Yeah, I wasn't aware about that actually. I'm just realizing right now that Go has so many different possibilities to say in Russian. That's true. It's indeed strange. Quite rough. Never realized that about before.
Null Bock auf 0815 Jobs.
Again, advertisement. Don't listen to the advertisement. At the moment, at least. Maybe when we are going to be, finally we are going to have our Twitch status on, how is it called? What is staying there? We are doing some Twitch affiliate. If we are going to have the Twitch affiliate, maybe then you should listen to the advertisement, but not now. Somehow my statistics is not working today. I think. Okay. No, that is the wrong thing. So this is the right thing, right? Or are we here maybe on the wrong? No, we're not on the wrong thing. Actually, we should receive from the get sheet, from this thing, from activities, get range A1. I mean, I don't think that this is the problem, but get values. I'm not sure. Why is this working? To get a better body, this is working. Title. Is that working at this way at all? Maybe we have to say something like just title. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just wrong about that. Really? That was the reason? I'm thinking about this thing about 2 hours and that was the reason? That was not 2 hours, but... Hello? Cool. Alright, so we're getting closer. And now we have to say something like act over. Is that what we have to do? I'm not sure. It's alive! Yeah! It's working! It's working! It's alive! Let's take a look. Wow, it is finally really working. It is getting the information we need. Ha ha ha! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Haha. Could we have done actually the same thing without this thing? Is that working as well? No. Okay, so we have to say it like that. That is a little bit strange. But okay, act over. So we are getting now from activities the first thing. That is cool. That is very cool. So now we are going not to activities, but to activity overview. So therefore we can use WS2. It's alive. Igor, it's alive. I hope we don't have any Igors here in chat, because I don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. So we are going to activity overview. And now what? What did I want to do? I don't even know what I want to do anymore. Let's say I want to have this one, so H13. H13, is it going to work? So we should receive something beautiful. Let's put this away, the spike thing. Delete the row. Delete the row, Jack. Alright, and now magic. Magic is not happening. Why? Why is it again not working? So it doesn't like H13. Why? Is it because it is a pivot table? Or because it doesn't have a H13 anymore? Obviously. We are going to change that as well, but... okay, H12. Yes, yes. We have it. There it is. Okay. We're getting closer. What is that smiley actually? Oh, that is a very cool smiley. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. So now we have to do something interesting. I mean, actually, we have to... we have to do what? So of course it has to be variable. So I could of course do now something with the tables, which would be easier for me. So simply like doing a, let's say something easy like, actually we could even do that here. So something with the hookup, right? File lookup, or is it H lookup? Is it V or is it H? I'm usually in German doing that and not in... Oh, wait, that was wrong. Activity, let's do it at the moment like this. What are you showing me? 120. 0. What? Why is it 120? What does it mean? Is it this one? So we are chest up in the third. Yeah, in the third column. This is what we where we are. But actually I would like to play more around with JavaScript because I'm very bad at that at the moment. I'm very bad in JavaScript. I want to play around more with that. So what is it that we want to do? We want to have like the last row. So something like this one. But I'm not sure how the get range thing works. So we are getting here a range, which is opening up here, right? Where is it closing? It's closing there. So what is it if we are going to do simply like get range? Or for example, get last row. What is it that we are getting then? Get last row. What is it going to give us? Function native code. Oh yeah, get last row. It is giving us number 12 because we have 12 rows. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, by the way, I would like actually to stop it soon. So maybe we should do something else at the moment. Actually, I would like to have an information after we have sent something. I would like to get the last, but there we need again the last row, the last information. Or we can simply show after we have done this. Actually, we could, instead of erasing what is standing there, we could actually just leave it. Send successfully. Is that written right? I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter at the moment. If we are leaving that out, how is it actually? That is right. That is how you can do the comments, right, in JavaScript. Let's take a look. If you're doing that like that, and oh no, wait, this is not what I want to do. Not with app, let's do that with the repetitions. Repetitions. Have I saved that? No. So let's say we're going to do jogging, blah blah blah, send. Okay, this way it remains there and we're getting sent successfully. Can we actually do send successfully plus repetitions? let's try. Object what? Object HTML collection. Okay, so this is not working this way. I think that is the way how to do that, right? To add something in JavaScript with a plus. Maybe, at least. Okay, I think this is the moment where we're going off for today. I'm getting confused in my mind. But we are getting closer to something that is going to work the way we want. We are playing around with code. It is working in a way, but not always. Is it possible to do something like a delay, actually? Is there something like delay? No. At least not this way. There's no delay, at least this way. Almost me. It is getting late, isn't it? I think it's already 2 o'clock in the morning in your time. And Wally. Yes, so that was interesting today. For everyone who was here with us from the beginning or just showed up in the middle of the time. Thank you very, very much that you have been here with us. Getting better together as usual. Almost me. Спасибо большое, что ты был здесь с нами. Wally, как всегда. Большое-большое удовольствие, когда ты с нами. And Games Mike. Almost me, thank you very much. And I wish you all the best as well. I hope you're going to be with us soon. Back again online. Games Mike, I wish you everything best as well. And if Jessa is still with us, I wish you a great, beautiful time as well. So, good night everyone, and stay safe. Bye bye friends.